This is sad. It is very sad. Flood pa Ghana had a flood pa Central region flood be see one we break a whole road, even a bridge into two. Like
say ensuena no dinti enam so bobo rewura krofofie na chese nsuyiri e na eba no we enye no wa nsuyiri eye Ghana asase so nsuyiri esem e na ye kai ene ye to ye krampo e ma ba bi ti se dwukwa enu so ofimfiri mantemu ensam so e ka Cape Coast eno ene
ebusiafo what you are seeing on ye erosion another onye quota na ehunu wo no quota like been too many would road no na nsunu achemi to them no so out of this flood of course like last week and so na the see in painfully then what are they doing about this? I think what's one officer people wa film nsunu afanoko something like that nsunu afanoko na we will say you won't nobody no so we can't say the way at us but this is what has happened oh Fifi Mantum Central region. Yes, prisons officer, you know, what fun on your call. It's not good. Yes, on your cry. Yes, when you come to our own, Takrade Hade, our own, bro. This is a sad news. The news it is very sad. A young lady, you to recognize because I want to know, like in Sunwaf.
The Obia Uda. Drain, storm drain casino. Woho. Inti onam dem wechi nti mkecha one day.
Na ashase road no mo menyanko kudura mamba bocho kasa.
Me checha one day. One bomb modern about report to police. But after
ebusiafo nipa na why dey chichinga no. Insune huhu na why dey den ni support ondu fa ni support like the person is dead totally. Like onya grow.
Why? Because a drain now will construct from Kwesimitim Total Filling Station, heading towards airport inside. Yes. The drain now will construct. So one there, contractor no say abandon miniska into the way you money may go on. But during the excavation, no worry to inform no. What's in waste? No, baby, what happy what to go in? Actually, in so ofi Kwesimitim Hospital. Lagos town, Tobis ni area where now across from Kosimiti police station, main drain mu eba airport range. Oba airport range a ho na okokafa. Baby mo wa hip material na ezegu no ho na insuno normally na nka oyo offer na okoko journey lagoon no. Sister what did na onam da what did me that tinebe go wonti no insuno oba na opema na wa asena ba community no mu. Nti oflada akobia mmoframa wo cross from Kosimiti eba oyo Kebisco school no. Inti sometimes someone of more nam main gata do na wo fo. Inti nsuru to de ya oya homotew. Inti me sure there either there ni pay ya nsu afani worichini. Nsuru di ni baby and obotoki wa ha another or cross from Kosimiti to airport range yes. No patre ya when to man survive na kata so also. Inti oya da etoma even a calumpo, and my calm one put to Nessa or Ricardo and soon didn't boko.
You need painful, yes, someone, papa, they should do something about it. The laws, like laws are here, we can't revert it. On ye, Nipan will, yes, and my condolences to the family, yes, of that Nipana lady now, we know, may her soul rest in perfect peace, but we should. The elders and the leaders, you need painful no yes someone I want share yes one share man pass so that this thing does not happen again because in sooner all to talk no on yendam kusin and suboto obeje in sooner best answer wa baby rainy season best na enter rainy season nimbe yes until we don't want such issue. Your family, that is all for today. Yes, this is YP Trends, and if you haven't joined the family, make sure you click on that subscription button. So if you're on YouTube and there, click on subscription button. That's yes. Turn on the notification bell so that me dropping new video now also a your notification now about what is going on, and we are here to give you great content, entertainment, news, and all that. What I say, if you are watching it on Facebook, Make sure you share it with friends, share it with family, share it with everybody. My name is YP the Blogger. I salute. Enjoy your day.